Hi, and welcome to ISBerne. My name is Ossian.
And I'm Momo.
We're student alumni, and today we're going to give you a virtual tour around our school. Follow me. This is the front office. They're wonderful. So make sure you say hi and don't forget to sign in. Sanitation is important. And this is our aula. This is where we gather for assemblies and also where we have lunch. Ooh, can you smell the cafeteria? All of our food is organic and locally sourced where possible. And there are also a ton of vegetarian options. Delicious. Let's check out the stage. This is our stage. We have had some incredible theater productions here like Peter Pan, The Lion King, Shakespeare, and this is where we graduate. If you do the IB program, you'll graduate with 2 diplomas. ISBerne offers a high school diploma, which gives you access to North American universities and colleges. And they offer the International Baccalaureate diploma, with which you can apply to universities all over the world. Oh, and we also have these awesome water fountains dotted across the school, so we encourage you to bring a reusable water bottle. Water is good. Let's help save the environment, right? Now, while most of the acting work happens on stage, the black box room acts as the official drama classroom. The open space here is frequently used for a variety of acting, games, and movement exercises. And the chill zone is a great place to do some written or script work. Now let's go check out the art room. Follow me. Right this way. Welcome to the art room, where things get real creative. The art program boasts a huge range of mediums for expression, from painting and printing to firing clay in our very own kiln. Now, if you follow me, we're going to go this way. This school is truly international, with over 50 nationalities spread across an average of 300 students and 50 teachers. That's a student-to-teacher ratio of 6:1, which is amazing. And 60% of our students have English as a secondary language, so you don't have to worry about your English or your accent. This belongs in here. This is a great, quiet space if you ever want to read a book or you just need a moment to yourself. It's also a great space to study for your final exams. Here we have a range of multilingual books. They're more scattered across the library. But if you can't find exactly what you're looking for, don't forget to check out the online library. There you are. It doesn't matter if you're an experienced musician or you've never touched an instrument. Music classes at ISBerne are fun. And there are a ton of instruments to get your hands on and make some noise with. And remember, it doesn't have to sound good as long as it feels good. Thank you, ISBerne! This is our science lab. ISBerne Science offers chemistry, biology, and physics. Science is a great way to let your curiosities roll wild. But don't forget to stay safe. Now I'll show you the courtyard. This is the courtyard, and it provides a ton of natural light for all of the classrooms. Haven't done that in a while. Anyway, let's head over to the elementary side of the school now. Just follow my footsteps. The primary years program in the elementary school is for kids to learn all the basics through an inquiry-based approach. in the PYP, in fact, across the entire school, it's not just important what you learn, but why you learn it. Oh, and from elementary ELC to grade 5, we wear indoor shoes. But don't forget to turn them off. Now, it's important to know that ELC isn't daycare or kita, it's school. And there is a fun, play-based learning curriculum that runs across all 5 mornings, or afternoons are optional. This program highlights the importance of relationships and discovery for our youngest learners. Now let's take a look outside. We have an incredible safe playground too that surrounds the entire campus with rolling hills and crazy climbing frames and an abundance of flowers. Great for butterfly watching. Oh. Hey Momo, catch me if you can. Oh, oh! This is the outdoor communal space where we host International Day, which is a great day to experience the diversity of culture at our school. See you later. Let's head to the gym now.
Follow me.
Oh, after you, Momo. This here is our trophy cabinet. As you can see, we compete in a range of sports.
Let's go Bears! Let's go! Let's go Bears! Let's go!
This is our gym. Come on inside. As you can see, we're getting it ready for your return. We've only been on this campus for a few years, but this school's got history too. Hey, pass! Our school was founded in 1961. That's a long time. Let's go check the football pitch. This is our football pitch. By the way, did you know that under the field there's a rainwater reservoir that is used to maintain the grass? How amazing is that for sustainability? Oh hey Momo, do you want to have a race?
Let's do it.
Dude, where's your PE kit?
Oh yeah.
Don't worry,